welcome back to Bake with Maya. We're making raspberry white chocolate squishy cookies. But first we've got to pick the raspberries. But we're just doing this for my birthday, what it's like in 2 more sleeps. You can see that. Let's do it! Here it is. It's right here, Daddy. Let me get it. We've got a tiny, whiny black.
Brilliant.
Look at it! Welcome back. We've got our raspberries and ready to go. So we're gonna get started by getting our sugar. I'm gonna put it in cut. Okay. Boop. Add it in perfectly. I've got some on the table. And now you want to add your sugar. Just get, oops, it almost fell out. It almost fell out. Oh, it did fall out. Now, just like we did this thing, we want to soften up our butter and our sugar together. Above Cup said to Scout she didn't like butter. Scout doesn't like butter. That's like the first person I've actually done. She didn't like butter. She does not like butter. Scout, how could you not like butter? Okay. So I think this is okay. So it's gonna look like this. Add your salt. Get your salt on your hand. Just make sure you don't get too much on, because we just want a pinch. And we don't want to struggle to get it back in. Okay, I'm just tasting everything. I'm not gonna taste the eggs, we'll do it now. Or the flour, or the baking powder. Okay, and mix it in. After you've done that, we add your eggs. Oh, we need 1 egg. Just like the one when we did it on the Scout's birthday. 1 egg. I can't. Do you know, Daddy? Chicks are the only things what can peck through the egg.
Alright.
If I try and squeeze it, it doesn't break.
As
hard as I can.
Go on then, squeeze it out as hard as you can.
It did not hurt.
Go on, squeeze it again. Oh!
Oh my gosh! Daddy! I'm covered in it. But Daddy, something says about some grown-ups can start eggs without cracking them.
Alright. Did you get it all in the bowl?
I think so. Oh. Blech.
Brilliant.
Okay, it scares me. So over me. Woo. So Daddy, on a video, no one could break the egg with squeezing their hands, even a full-grown man.
But you did.
I am stronger than them. I am actually pretty strong. That was disgusting. Goodbye, yummy, sugary, buttery stuff. Now this just looks orange. Now this just looks like from yellow to orange. Wait, yellow to orange, like applejack. And then we add all vanilla. You use your lid until it's at the top. Very vanilla-y, huh? When you mix your vanilla in, it looks like this. It's supposed to look like that. And you add your flour. About this much flour. I'm not going to use a cup this time. Then I use the whole entire thing, like that. Going in with your hands. Pretty sticky right now. How should it look like this when you mix in your flour? Mix in your baking powder with your spoon. I think I need some more flour actually. I think I need some more flour. It's supposed to be kind of doughy, but it's kind of sticky. I'm just going to add a little more flour. Just a handful of flour. A handful. You've got to make sure yours is a dough shape. But since mine was kind of gooey, add more flour. If yours looked a dough shape like biscuit, that's what you need. It's gonna look like this instead. You know, I used to make squishy cookies all the time when I was 5. I remember those happy days. So happy. Then you roll it up in a ball, a perfect ball shape. Until it's kind of like a pastry.
In that.
I'm gonna put 1 raspberry each in. It's because you can just smush it. It doesn't matter if your raspberry is all squished up in it. You're also squishing it up. You don't have to care. So they're kind of healthy. We're going to put them in the oven, but first we've got to cover this up. Don't worry
I
if
quite
there's
like
any...
some like that.
Don't worry if you can see this one bit because this is not a surprise. This one's kind of scooched up. Soon it is going to be mixed together, really. Because the oven's pretty hot and then the raspberry and the chocolate will mix together. If you still have a lot of dough, don't worry, I'll just keep making lots more cookie balls. It's because this takes the rest of your dough out. Yeah, you might know what I'm going to do. And then you just put the whole entire thing on the tray. Then roll these right on it. Squeeze it. Just like we did in the little ones. It's just like a bigger version of the little cookies. We don't want to add one, otherwise it will only take not much. So we're going to add the rest. Come out. So we're going to spread them around.
It's like a pizza.
It is. And then we want to scooch it up. Don't worry. Remember, it's not a surprise. Ooh, the blackberry didn't get smudged. I'm surprised. Put it in. There we go.
What are we going to do with that, Maya?
Put it in the oven. It's ginormous. This one took 10 minutes and this one took 20 minutes. So this is what they look like and it's time to eat them. That's the last thing to do.